Swadika, this is the Scooter Girl channel. This video gonna teach you how to make sticky rice. Okay, so the ingredient is what we need. It's very simple. So we have sticky rice, coconut cream, sugar and salt. And we're gonna cook it with the rice cooker. Alright, let's start. Firstly, we measure the sticky rice. I use 2 cups, which is about 280 grams. Washing rice, only one time it will be enough. But before we cooking, you have to use the thin cloth. Otherwise, the rice will stick with the pot and it's not look nice. Right. Take off the water and add the water back to the pot for 2 cups. So my one, it's already have the glutinous rice. This is here. This is just for the cooking sticky rice. And we just put the water. So the 2 cups is over here. And right. Cooking. When the sticky rice is already cooked from the rice cooker, we still keep the bottom warm. And we stirring the sticky rice to mix it all together, and we close them back to keep it for 20 minutes more. And it's time to make the coconut cream. I use coconut cream from the box because it's easy to find and it's not every country can find a fresh one. But before you using, make sure you check properly. We add coconut cream 280 grams, as same as the sticky rice, and sugar, half of it, so 140 grams, and half teaspoon for salt. Mix it together, and then after we open in the medium heat for stirring and mix them all together around 10 minutes and close the gas. After, keep them warm, not cool, not cold, warm. Then we add sticky rice in the bowl and pouring coconut cream on top of it. This is the most important part, that you mix every single sticky rice soaking with coconut cream. Many recipes, they want you to put pandan leaves to make the fragrance smell nice, but it's not easy to find, so forget it. It's just enjoy, just dealing from what we have in the kitchen. Let's make it simple. All right, now we mix everything all together. We have to find something to closing, just to make sure there is no air in or out. We keep this for the first set for 30 minutes. So I don't have any lid fit with this bowl, so this is what I use. Voila, 30 minutes gone. Let's check what this look inside right now. Ta-da! So all the coconut cream is go inside the sticky rice already, but we would like to make sure this all equal, so we mix them again. And after we mix them all together, we just close the lid again, but this time it's just normal closing for 10 minutes. Alright, and this sticky rice is ready to serve. Now we're doing coconut cream to pouring on the top. It's just the coconut cream, about 100 grams, and a little bit of salt with the low gas. Make sure it's concentrate and a little bit glutinate. Shut the gas, and then after you just pouring. So here we are. This is what we serve the sticky rice with: mango, jackfruit, and the black bean in the coconut cream. This is all together. Don't forget to subscribe for Scooter Girl channel. Until the next video. For today, I will go enjoy my dessert right now. สวัสดีค่ะ